Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 action required error that says a BIOS firmware update is required or secure boot must be enabled on your PC. First, we need to check your current system settings inside Windows. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens the Run box. Type MS-Info32 and press Enter. A new window will open called System Information. Look for BIOS mode. It should say UEFI. If it says Legacy, the game will not start. Next, look for Secure Boot state. It should say On. If Secure Boot is off or unsupported, you will need to change settings in the BIOS. Now, close this window, restart your computer, and enter your BIOS. Once you're inside the BIOS or UEFI menu, look for a section called Boot, Advanced, or Startup. Settings may vary for different motherboards. Find the boot mode or boot option setting and make sure it is set to UEFI. After that, find the Secure Boot option. This is usually under the Security tab or inside the boot settings. Enable Secure Boot. If it asks for a secure boot mode, choose Standard or Default. Once all these settings are correct, save the changes and exit the BIOS. The error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.